like an intro.
Going to practice. It's pouring out right now. Hufford's driving.
Fun time. How's it going?
What's up, boys?
Got a little vlog going.
Hell yeah.
Pouring outside. We just took our shoes off and we're gonna try to run into practice now. Oh my god. I'm trying not to like lose anything. Look at this. Like, look at this. Crazy. Well, we made it. Let's see who else is here. Hi Blair. Say what's up to the vlog. Oh, don't fall. Are you prepared for the rain?
No, it's like a tundra out there.
Gang's doing some diving practice. Thank you. Alright, we're heading into the locker room. So we were supposed to have a meet this weekend, or Friday, Saturday, but because of the hurricane, it got canceled. So everything is just shut down. No class tomorrow. Yeah. What's up, guys? What's up, Kumi?
We asked Anthony to come with us, and he was like,
You just called that one.
Venus, get me in here. Hello, 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 hello. That's all.
Oh my god.
Guys, I have an idea.
So this part is usually underwater. Like, or no, like above water. This is like a death trap now.
Holy shit, that's insane.
Jump in the puddle.
Alright, what up gang? We're on the 5 meter here. 5 meters high, and I'm gonna backflip.
Alright, we have the guys still finishing up warm up.
Oh yeah.
We did an 800.
Oh yeah.
400 swim, 200 kick, 200 pull. I'm in lanes with Ryan today. Got Wiley over here.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know if you can see it out there, but it's pouring down outside. What's up? Do you want to say anything, Connor?
No, I didn't. Hold on. I was thinking we gotta have a race in Tiku Fountain. Who's down? Got
Have
it.
you ever been in there, Connor?
practice?
Connor, have you been in there?
In Tiku Fountain?
Yeah.
We looked at it.
Dude, it's like 2 feet deep, maybe.
Like, I don't know if we even...
Oh no, I'm slamming it.
You've like fully swam in it?
Yeah.
After the women's basketball game.
It was like breakfast.
Hey, you want to do like a ton of social kick?
Alright. So, today's practice has been kind of weird. We got to the floating and everything. We did the 800 warm up and then 825 is just kind of, I guess, speed work. We'll descend and then just hold the speed. And now we're doing just a 400 on our own. And then we're out of here, which is a really short practice, but we can't control the weather. So here we are. What do you think, Ryan?
Dude, this 3,000s really took it out of me.
How much kick we do, Connor? That was 250, I think. I feel like I was just out here. It's crazy. Look at these guys. Alright, we're going on a late night adventure.
Let's go!
Let's freaking go.
We're going slip and sliding down a Doty Hill.
Oh, yours is huge.
Whoa, this one's red.
Whoa. Mine's croaking. Oh shit.